Okay, in this video, we're simply going to go over how to load these families into a project. There is nothing new here. If you already know and are familiar with loading families into projects, you can skip this video. There's nothing specific that you need to know about these families. But if you aren't familiar with loading families into a project, then go ahead and stick around. So for this, there are 3 ways that I load families like this into a project if there is not a type catalog. And these families don't have a type catalog, so it allows you a lot more freedom for loading. The traditional way would be to go to the Insert tab. So we go up here to Insert and then Load Family, and it'll bring up a browser, and you just need to browse to where you saved these files to. Another option is sometimes if you're already navigating in a Windows Explorer, if you already know where the families are, you can just go in and you can drag and drop them into the project, and it automatically loads your cursor with the family. So here we go. There we've just loaded and placed a furnace. The other way is if you use our example project. So if I open up this example of the mechanical, it opens to this. And this way you can look at what you're pulling in, and you can just grab one of these. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to do Control-C to copy. And then I'm just going to go Control-V to paste it. It's going to tell me it's bringing it in, and then it places it. So now I have my furnace and my air conditioning unit brought in. So it's just that simple. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy modeling.